In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Roblox Studio not launching in 2026. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So there are a couple of reasons why you would be facing this problem. In this video, we're going to be discussing 10 different problems that you can simply go ahead and solve. So let's get straight into the video, shall we? So the first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and check your system requirement. Ensure that your PC meets Roblox Studio's minimum requirements and update your OS if needed. If that is not the case, simply try restarting your computer because a simple restart can fix many launch issues. And the other thing you want to do is simply go ahead and run Roblox Studio as administrator. Simply right click and then select run as administrator. The fourth thing you want to do is simply go ahead and clear the Roblox Studio cache if you haven't. If you're on Windows, simply write Windows or press Windows R and then simply write this exact thing and then delete the logs and data cache folders. If that is not the case, it might be your internet connection. Simply go ahead and check for a stable internet connection or try resetting your router or switching networks. Again, if that is not the case, simply go ahead and check if you have any antivirus or firewall. Simply disable those temporarily. Update your graphics driver. Reinstall your Roblox Studio, check background programs, or if not, simply use Roblox Studio Beta. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.